Hello everyone, so I hope you guys have a great day of the Monday. So basically I just want to do a quick PA and also um, why I went to for a sell and at the same time. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a pre-analysis real quick. So basically I noticed that we're at the weekly, they're acting like a range right now. So at that point I kind of wanted to do it self because there's a volume from the top side and then also and this is kind of a little bit scary because now the buyers is coming in from last week of that and then this week not sure what they're gonna do from that from Microsoft. And also I'm just keeping all this gap coming in and also count it as there's a price action in there, even though they don't have a volume in there. But I'm seeing a lot of reaction over here. In the future, they look like they really broke out from that area. But I'm still aware about this area too, because the buyer tried once before, and it's been a pretty long time from there. And yeah, not sure right now that, but that's how the story is that I got into for a sell because for a sell I was still wondering because like what is this move like big giant moves. I'm very curious even though I have some losses from there and even though I went for the option they didn't give me the price that they wanted, but I'm very glad that I took a trade from there very short. I wanted to wait for another two hours because I stopped it from around 9. I took out from the 9 and I wanted to see the 10 o'clock, see what like the New York stock market come back, see what they want to do with it. But at this point, I kind of didn't want to go further and just took my trade out. And let me see. And from there it's very nice. I'm still studying it like okay, this is like for sure is a primary and a secondary, but then my days is like it's too long, like the 3 hours, and also pretty much the daily is acting as a range, not as a channel, um either as a channel or they broke out. So at this point I had to do a pre-analysis to make sure everything is all right to this, or I just had to wait until this whole thing of the gonna break out. And I noticed this is a PNS, um, and I would do something different. Like if it was a PNS, and then I'm doing the testing phase of it, this area, which is it's on. But I want to see more information that it could be doing something here and then go back up and then on from here. So yeah, so basically I just took out from here. I know this area from it's very dangerous zone. Yeah, and I'm also kind of the mode right there. I like all this trade that I take that I want to take it down. I felt that I need to do a better more of analysis before to any trade or any action that I still want. Do I want to still stick with this pair or um, I think I wrote some notes that I need to write some notes over here before get back to it in it. So pretty much is this is what I want to explain my PA that I did a short sell. Um, Not a great price. I should have got a better price from this area. And then Sure, it went like this or something. Then go, then take it down from here. Yep, that's basically my BA. If you have any feedback, I would appreciate, and then I will take a look and what I need to improve.